Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Cakes and More. So these are winter days and we all want to eat something sweet every day. So today I have come with a very healthy recipe and this is til, gur and mawa ka laddu. So let's start with the ingredients. We need 250 grams of white til, 200 grams of mawa and hardly 100 grams of gur, jaggery. So let's start making. This is my til, white til, and now I will roast them. You need to roast it in low flame. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes to roast them nicely. If your flame is on high, they will burn and not get roasted nicely from the center. So now our til is roasted and we will keep it to get cool and then we will crush them lightly. I have already grated my mawa with a fine grater and I will roast it lightly for 2 to 3 minutes till the time it starts extracting its ghee. It will take 3-4 minutes. By the time I am roasting my mawa, you can see this is my jaggery gur, around 100 grams I told you, and I will grate it. It will take around 3-4 minutes to get roasted, and by the time the ghee will come out of this mawa. Meanwhile, I am separating around 1/4 cup of til aside. And rest of the til I will grind it in the grinder. So let's grind it in between. See, my mawa is almost done. It's roasted nicely and it has left oil, desi ghee in the pan. So now this is the time I will remove it. Meanwhile, I have grated my roasted til. Never grate your roasted til when they are warm. When they become properly cool, then only you grate them. So this is my roasted and grated til. Now this is my 100 grams of jaggery, which I have finally grated through a grater. You can even cut it into small pieces. Let the jaggery melt. It will take hardly a minute or so. See, my jaggery is almost melt. It takes around 1 to 2 minutes, but please keep it on low flame. If you make it high flame, the jaggery will burn. We are not using any drop of water to melt this jaggery. That is why I told you to grate it nicely. I forgot to tell you, meanwhile, one handful of pistachio I have blended in the blender. Now my gur is jaggery is ready. It is nicely melt. I will add my mawa to it and within half a minute it will mix together. And now finally I will add my roasted grinded til to this. Let the mawa and jaggery mix together. Now I have switched off my flame because it is already very hot, and I will take another 1 to 2 minutes by the time it blends to each other, as well as the temperature comes a little down, and then I will add my til to it. See, my jaggery and mawa are completely mixed. Temperature has come down a little. We cannot add our til to the hot mixture. It should be a little warm. Now I will add my til to it. Now I will add them nicely and roll them in a laddu shape. But before rolling them to a laddu, I will add a handful of grated and roasted dry coconut to it, as well as, if you want, you can put a spoonful of elaichi powder also to it. See, now you can see it's still warm and I am mixing it together so that we can roll it in a laddu. So now, as you can see, my til, jaggery and mawa, they have come together, and now I can roll them in laddus. I have added a spoonful of elaichi powder also. It is optional. If you want to, you can add. So now once we will roll these laddus, and then I will tell you my twist about it. So I have started rolling my laddus, and I have made 2 for you right now, and I will roll them in nariyal powder or dry coconut powder. So now I have rolled few of my laddus in nariyal powder, as I told you, and now I am rolling them in pistachio powder. See, now you can roll them in pistachio, and these are your pistachio cum til jaggery laddu. And they look very nice with green color and white color, and then I will roll them with rose petals. I'll show you that. You need to be careful that you have to blend them till they are warm. Otherwise, you won't be able to make these laddus. One more thing, if they have become cold, as these are very cold days, then you can warm them again on a low flame for 1 or 2 minutes. So my til laddus are ready with a variation, and they are very tasty also. If you like my recipes, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And thanks for watching.